welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back today. So today's video I am like beyond excited about. I was like struggling to find a idea for this week's videos, but then Rihanna's September issue cover came out and that's it. I didn't need much convincing. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to recreate Rihanna's September issue cover. I'm so excited about it because it's so fucking gorgeous. It really is. So that's what we're doing. Woo! I'm going to stop talking. I've got nothing else to say. I'm going to cover my brows off camera really quickly and we'll be back and we'll get started. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, let's go. So, TV paint stick. Everywhere. Okay, blend that out. So a bit of concealer. Kat Von D Shade Light, Locker Concealer. I'm in the colour L7 Warm. Alright, blend that out. Okay, I'm just taking my contour, like my cream contour brush, and just using what's on it to just do kind of a subtle nose contour. I'm not necessarily trying to make myself look like Rihanna. I'm just like doing the actual look. But I do want a nose contour. Alright, bit of regular contour now. Alright, let's settle this. So I'm just gonna take my Airspun and go all over, obviously. Alright, let's brush all this back very carefully. Alright, gonna go in with a bit of highlight and contours now. I'm gonna add in just a tiny bit of white eyeshadow into our highlights. Just because it's quite highlighted, it's quite nice. Contours. I might actually just do bronzer. I don't think we're gonna do harsh contour. Taking my Omega bronzer. So Rihanna's got quite like a round face, so I'm not like creating any harsh lines because I want to keep it quite nice and round. Okay, in with my big brush, same bronzer, and just using this to sort of blend out the edges. Okay, pretty. We'll do a bit of blush. This is just the e.l.f. blush palette. It's pretty good actually. So just lightly. I do a bit on the top of the head there, a bit on the nose. Done. So this look is extremely simple. Very, very, very simple. I'm going to do a bit of powder for baking. And then we're going to start with the shadows. Perfect. Okay, let's do some shadows. So I'm thinking what I might do is I'm going to go in. This is pretty much the only palette we're going to use, I think. So this is the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette. I'm going to go in with some white to begin with. And we're kind of going to cover the entire lid with this. Blend it all in. This is a sort of base. Alright, now let's get into some colors. So I think we're going to start off with this purple color here. Might mix it in with a little bit of the color next to it as well. I'm going to take that on a kind of a big fluffy brush here. Very lightly. Just going to start blending this into our crease at the top here. we're gonna take a smaller little brush and we're gonna go in with some of this gray here and put this right in the crease just to deepen it a tiny bit. Super straightforward, super easy. Now I'm going to take my smaller brush again, taking some of this darker purple and the grey. And we're going to put this on our wing line here and just blend it out. Alright, we're going to move down to the bottom. I'm going to get rid of this. Taking my small little brush, same exact colours, and just lining that waterline. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. We're going to do a tiny bit of like highlighter in the inner corners. I'm going to take, this is the Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow in Perfect O. I'm going to put a bit of this on the lid and also in here. I'm going to go in with a bit of mascara now. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so now time for these bloody eyebrows. The absolute best part of this entire look. So I'm just taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner and we're gonna do these brows. So, start here. Okay. Okay, gorgeous. Alright, I'm gonna do a bit of highlighter. Kat Von D Metal Crush palette. Okay, lips. So, we're gonna start with, this is the Sugarpill, oh, that's all broken, weird. Sugarpill Liquid Lip Color in Strange Love. It's like deep red. So we're gonna focus this on the outside. Okay, so pretty. Now I'm going to take, this is Marc Jacobs lemarc lipstick in Oh Miley, so it's like a bright red. I'm going to take this in the insides here. I'm going to also take a bit of this bright pink. Perfect. Now gloss. I'm going to take this purple, it's like this bright purple. This is the Marc Jacobs Enamel Eyeshadow Lip Gloss in Boys Don't Cry. And straight over top. Okay, this is it, you guys. So I'm gonna go and put on all the accessories and everything, and then we'll be done. Sorry. And then we'll be done, and then we'll be done. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay, guys, this is so if you guys like that, I put in some green contacts. I did have these in at the beginning, but then I just thought that maybe they weren't gonna work, but I think they work a lot better with them in. And I've just got some big earrings in. She didn't have earrings on in the photo, but I kind of felt like I need something. And then just a bunch of flowers on the head, of course. So this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because I have like a proper photo on there. But this is going to be it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!